can see all the blotchiness, where it's breaking up hyperpigmentation. Good morning, welcome to the channel. My name is Maya. So, just wanted to do a quick check-in to show you like my skin. Kind of have like my camera propped up on paper towel roll. So, but yeah, I've been using. The Dr. Juanita Rattan Facial Pigment Kit, and this is kind of the result. But you can see, this camera's so stupid. You can see all the blotchiness, where it's breaking up hyperpigmentation. I've mostly been using this. I'm gonna say this is the cause. I don't know if I'm gonna do a check-in or gonna do like some morning skincare routines. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you what I do in the morning. So this is like the morning after using it. This is what I do in the morning, right? So let's go ahead and get to it. We're gonna just quickly wash my face really quick. And this is just, you're supposed to wash your face 2 times a day, right? So after using the product at night, you're gonna get all the dirt, oil, and like sweat and saliva. That's what I'm looking for. Off your face. You're not in your sleep doing that. So I'm gonna get all that stuff off your face. So I'm washing my face really quick. 30 seconds to a minute. And I'm keeping it really simple in the morning because because after you apply the product, you're not supposed to really use other retinols and other actives and other chemicals and stuff like that. It's like it's active enough. So you want to just kind of baby your skin and be jokes with it in the morning. And I already didn't listen. I've already been using retinol because I've been breaking out. So I used a little, like a weaker retinol, the cream version on my pimples. Definitely having some like sensitized skin. It's not really bad, but it's just, again, follow directions. Don't just think you know what you're doing and do what you want to do when it comes to skincare. I have people saying I'm like rubbing my face too hard and stuff. I don't really think that I am, but to each his own. Anyway, so I'm gonna wipe this off. And I guess I'm keeping it really simple. This one I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this off and then put toner on and moisturizer. It's a very short, quick video. I kind of want to show you guys like I say all the time, the daily steps to keep taking care of your skin. Let me go ahead and make this really quick. So I'm gonna wipe this off my skin. And just use room temperature, lukewarm water. Because it's not always access, it's not every day that you see a video. When I do a video, I'm going to be doing some extravagant skincare routine. This is just about the in-between care and the aftercare. And really, I really just want to show y'all like the pigmentation breaking up. Because you can actually really see on my neck, on my face and all that. And that's very interesting to me. So anyway, so that's pretty much that with this. I'm like rushing, so now I'm going to the next step. I'm going to use this Daily Brightening Weekend Glow Solution that I got from a subscriber just to tone my skin. It's supposed to tone your skin after you wash it, so that's what I'm going to do. This has bearberry extract. Like this has again, Daily Brightening. So this has products supposed to help brighten, but I have been using the toner every time. So I always wash my face and I tone it, and then I put my moisturizer on. And if you know, I've been keeping it simple because with this wash, tone, put this moisture, okay, let's show you guys. So this is the actual oh my god, this is the actual active product. So you put this on 2 times tonight. I mean like 2 times, one day and then the next day, and the 3rd day you put this on. This is just a moisturizing cream just to kind of help rejuvenate and make sure your skin's not super stimulated, because it's not, again, it's all about balance when it comes to skincare. So also purchased and have been using the CeraPep Brightening Moisturizer. So I'm actually going to use that this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and my toner is dried up. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this product. And that's pretty much it. This is my sunscreen and I'll be out for the day. So I put it on my face and my neck. And this is a brightening moisturizer as well. And it's very moisturizing. I have dry skin and I've been using retinol and not listening. So I do sometimes put rosehip oil underneath it. But it's very creamy, very moisturizing, and I think it's all working together to really help brighten and even my skin tone out. So I'm gonna rub this in. Like I said, this is just a quick little short skincare video. I feel like I should start posting these in reels on my Instagram. What do you guys think? All that skincare stuff. I think I might start doing that. I don't know. Think about it. I mean, there's nothing to think about. I just need to do it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Like I said, keep it very simple in the morning. Just about putting the product on, getting on your face, and keeping it moving. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for your time, guys. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those down below. More skincare videos to come. This is just a really quick, just to show you kind of how I've been maintaining and assisting my skin as it continues to turn to the natural skin tone. Again, my name is Maya. All right, thanks for your time, guys. Bye for now.